Hey everyone, Larry here, Mitchell's RCs, and today I'm coming back at you with a Kyosho Blizzard. Now if you remember a while ago I made a video on it and I upgraded the motors to brushless and I took the plow blade off. And I said that the motors were just a hair longer and I'd have to do something before I could put the plow back on. So what we're going to do right now is jump into this and we're going to see if we can get that plow rehooked. So here we go. Also, trying out a new mic here too, guys, so hopefully it works okay. Also, I got to put this light back in. When I was outside, when I was running it, you guys remember I lost, watched the video, you see I lost one of the lenses. And it's because I hit that fence in my dooryard there, and I tore the lens off. No big deal. It's pretty simple to put back together. I didn't glue any of the stuff on, it's all pressure fit. They fit in real tight, guys. There we go. Lights back on. Just like that. Okay. So I'm going to do is set this off to the side here. Up out of the way. So you get the other camera going here. Alright. Get you guys adjusted a little bit here. We'll be working right here on this servo, guys. So body on the back side. I want to center. I want to make sure that servo's centered. I'm going to turn the remote on. Okay, so that's centered right there. I don't touch anything. That should stay centered. Okay. I really love this little plow thing, guys. This snowcat, whatever you want to call them. This thing is awesome. Just digging my parts that I got. I put them all in a baggie when I took it apart, so I would be able to find everything, hopefully. So what I'm going to do, guys, I believe, if I got one that fits that, I have some circle ones somewhere. I might have to go look. Thought I had a circle one in this, but I don't. So I'm going to pause this for a second, guys, and I'm going to go grab a round one. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and that's what I was talking about. I want to get a round one. I'm just going to get that to go in there and fit. I believe this will do what I want it to do. There we go. Screw back in. Turn the rail back on. Recenter that. There we go. Because I did move it just then. Now, like that. But before I do that, I want to mount the blade back on. Don't mix and screws. I want to mount the blade back on. Then I know where the bar is going to go. Loving my new bench here, guys. Loving my new bench, by the way. Awesome. Well, if I put it the right side up, it would work. It just clips on down here. Right onto the front here. Just clips right in here on this bar. Sorry guys, get my head in the way, trying to look. That's one side. Here's the other side, just like that. Okay? And then these go here and here. These are screwed on with a screw. Phillips on top of that. I'm trying to stab you guys' way so you can see a little bit of this. Remember, it's all plastic. You don't have to crank anything super tight. It's not lined up in the hole. Pushing the plastic away. Still not. I think these ends would have a little bend to them, but they don't. They don't have a little bend at all to them. Being a pain in the butt. We'll get him. Just grabbing that magnetic screwdriver. Body back out of the way. Something over there. Oh, that's okay. Back over here. Back here to where the rod. Now where did I put that rod? Right here in front of me. Okay, so one end hooks into here. I can't see. forgot I had one more screw on the table. I'm loving these brushless motors, guys. This thing is a beast with these little motors. And I've only been running it on 2S also, guys. This is 3S capable. And probably at some point we'll test it out. Guys, I'm right in the way here. What I'm trying to do. Okay. Just trying to find where I am. Right here, screwing this rod end onto the mechanism that picks the plow up and down. Just gotta screw it to the servo. Oh, good. Don't do that. Be stabbing a hole in this thing. Get my arm in the way and then I can't see the light, guys. And I lose where I am. I want to start that hole a little bit bigger there. Stop doing it. Careful of that. Break them wires. There we go. That might be easier when I get the wires up out of the way. Oh, it moved. Of course it did. I'm going to leave that on and maybe I can keep it from moving. So yeah, I do want to do that. So guys, I was going to the wrong place. Trial and error. That's what makes this hobby so much fun, guys. Do things the way you want to do them. Learn new things all the time. Alright. I gotta get my phone. I gotta get some light down here, guys, so I can see. There we go. Oh, what am I doing? Wrong way. like I always tell you guys, just stay patient and it'll all come together. I forgot which hole I really want to go to. So many to choose from here. I think that's the one I want. Okay, I have 3 of them right together, so I can pick the good ones I want. I'm hired. Actually, oh, that came with that. So actually, I ought to use a different style screw. Still, I don't think I quite made the hole big enough. Let me set up one side of the wheel, but I'd rather start with a size that's just a hair too small than drill it too big to start. I was getting some snow today here where I live, and then it all turned over to rain. Ah, this thing keeps spinning on me. It's driving me nuts. I had it started, guys, but it was going crooked. I didn't want to go crooked. There we go. Hopefully that screw's not too long now. Okay. Now, just for the heck of it, let's see what happens. Oh, that's a track. Alright, sensitive. Ah. Right. This thing is so sensitive, guys. That's one thing about it that drives me nuts. Is that when you go to use the side controls for your, because to use this, both buttons forward make it go. Well, if you push side to side, that's what operates the blade. But it's got to be perfect to do it. So, I see what's going on here. We're going to change that. I thought the servo was turning the opposite direction that it is. That's a long stroke. So, I'm going to come over here to this one. Just a whisker along. You guys haven't been minding these build videos lately, these repair videos, but I gotta get a lot of RCs to repair right now. A lot of them. I've been neglecting them for a while. It's time that they get a little love here. Okay, let's see. I can't get the tracks to stop moving. That's kind of driving me nuts a little bit. To get the tracks to stop moving, I could pick the one of these is supposed to be for, okay, something switched on my controller here somewhere. There we go. Nope, it's not supposed to control that track. One of these buttons controls the blade. That's for the other side. And then one controls the tracks. That's the track one. So that's center. Now, when I'm pushing these bottom ones, it's supposed to do the same thing, but this is supposed to be the blade control. Right now, it's being a jerk. It's not, I've got blade control to a certain point. And that's it. Because the track's running at the same time. Something here is in the wrong. Okay, so that's saying reverse. There we go. There, guys. We're getting her now. Finally, the buttons were in the wrong spot. I knew something was going on. Now that button brings the blade down like it should. Perfect. Just a whisker off the ground the way I want it so it doesn't dig in. Back up. Nice. So there we go, guys. That's simple. It was a headache for a second, but I kept my cool. And you see, we figured it right out like nothing. So remember, when you're doing this kind of stuff, guys, just try to keep a cool, even head. And it'll all work out for you. You guys see the lights on this. I don't know if you've seen them or not. So we got the headlights I put on down bottom. Plow's going to be in the way, but that's okay. When I'm plowing down, I'll be able to see. I've got the top lights. I've got the rotating light up here I put on, guys, but the only problem is the remote that comes with this doesn't have a channel so I can control it. So it's just a solid light right now. I threw the lights on the back, guys. So I've got backup lights. Because I'm going to be doing some FPV with this soon, guys. And just for show, just for looks, I put a little red LED light, guys, in the stack. Make it look like she's blowing fire when she's driving. Kind of funny. I kind of did it so when it's away from me a ways, I can tell which side of the vehicle is which. But, yeah, it looks kind of cool in there. But, let me turn the lights back on here. Shut this baby down. But I did rig up one of these little systems, guys. If you can see this. Which camera's going here? That one. Let me switch it over here. So I can bring it right up underneath. Right here, guys. And it's a 2S battery. With one of those all-in-one receivers hooked to a cheap servo. With my 120 View HD FPV camera on there. Okay, guys? And I got it hooked up to this old remote, which I'm going to modify this remote so I can hook it to the bottom of anything I want to use. And then all I got to do is just turn this and show you guys what it does. What it's for. That way, guys, I can have side-to-side motion in the vehicle. So instead of just going straight, if I get to a spot where it looks like I might get stuck, lots of times you don't remember what it looked like when you drove in. So I'll have the option to turn the wheel on this other remote and look side to side. Pretty cool, huh, guys? Just out of junk. Just junk I kept around. And now I can put this in any vehicle I want to put it on and use it. And I've got I bought a cheap set for now until I get used to doing it. But they're really nice, of FPV goggles. So, yeah, we're going to be having some FPV fun, guys. I think it's going to be a blast once I get everything situated. Now that I got my workbench here and I got my my microphone and my cameras going now, now I can start focusing on other things. I love that. It's so awesome. So, guys, like I always say, you know, keep an eye out. Keep a listen for that ring of the bell, because I'm always doing something different. Always doing something different. And especially now where the weather's been, you know, rainy and snowy and windy and cold and messed up. It's kind of hard to get out with the RCs up here where I live. I live in Maine, so we get some pretty bad weather up here. And it's always weird and different. So I figured it would be a perfect time to just do some rebuilds and do some builds. We're going to have a bunch of them coming on the channel, guys. We got a bunch of them coming right here. We got one right here coming. And then right on top of that, we've got another one coming. So, you know, keep an eye out, guys. And this is Larry over here at Mitchell's RC saying I hope you had a good time, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.